Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. New video is today international SEO strategies that bring your business to global level. ISEO work. ISEO works in international SEO agency explanation into multi-goals SEO project. The complete know how to detect to internationalization industry. Many years of in-use SEO work make ISEO works unique. Detect internationalized industries to make many years of in-use SEO works makes IC works unique provider of service in the field international search engine optimization. We help internationally opening rating companies improve the visibility and search engine rankings of their website, taking into account local aspects such as language and culture. cultures. Our website rank great for our many reasons, but our ranking for foreign marketers are performing poorly. Sound Filmer international SEO is more about critical in language and knowledge of local marketers than make things. We worked hard to develop a keywords strategies for our local markets that would have drowned the competition out our waters. We then translation the keywords into our foreign language, but something must have going wrong direction in translation processor because we just have been getting the same result. Is that so? Here in our international SEO agency, we perform keyword research for many direct marketers. It load different language every day, but we let your letter succeed translation keywords all one simply cut search and search volume change from country to language streams. The some market keywords translation only once in great for successful. Every marketer's different it SEO works. We building and eminent rock solid international SEO strategies that work each target marketers. ISEO works working head make your SEO strategy word around the globe. Get a free page edit domain email word using response. I agree submit my email address name and additional content for future strategy and process. Our workflow and natural strategy and successful ISO strategy. Local market knowledge, language skills, critical increased travel keyword research. This that is we don't what you do. In my former roles, market directory, business discovers had the purpose of working with from ISU works on the large scale content increment project under strong international background made him perfect and a project that invalid high different language and marketers his independent knowledge international SEO helped great and market will project successful of company and result in 20% growth of organic traffic which clearly expanded example I can highly recommend it working with ISU the channels step A market director business discovery I heart opening of the work with Undo from ISEO works trying the language of letter language learning of for kids Undo look time and improvement effect SEO strategy for website optimization and later great hits coming for deep understanding copyright links building and technical SEO helped us language effect commission into of the most create SEO performance some access word recommended ISU works give your online purchase salt foundation send us email why is critical increase improvements in the some way to include the language of people his five different words for now different critical use different vectorably for some things that's leader in solution in watch translation might have servers it not 15 different words choose from then when to translation simple keywords without mastery the target language without solid keyword research your life change pick up keyword with biggest search value how can your hands these different marketers and language we are listed scale so improvement for international SEO. International SEO goes beyond classical SEO. It from SEO gets adapt visible local target market around the goal bar adjust technical issues. Websites have costed also different language and the fact all market perfect is some search engine Google may top dog with Western but Young's owner biggest market share in restaurant on other hands by far most improvement search engine for biggest online market out there China all these search engine operator under the owner law and special requirements that you needed constant optimization in different markets so get to back main point hand simple translation content and keywords will not get the ranking you went critical defense led type search activity defense visitor research search engine many requirement technical advice what ISU works tweak optimization content finishing target marketplace subscribe to product of service get ranking search result book your ISO page with research like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update Thanks for watching.